Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials: inkjet or laser printable sticker paper and clear laminate sheets. Choose software like free vector editors or photo apps for layout and color control. Set your document to 5 x 11 inches and design at 300 dpi for sharp prints. Place safe margins 1/4 inch from each edge to allow for bleed and trim. Use RGB for vibrant digital mockups, but convert to CMYK for accurate print color. Export art as PNG or PDF with transparency preserved for clear sticker edges. Use pigment inks when possible for water resistance and longer-lasting stickers. Select highest print quality and print on 5 x 11 sticker paper in your printer settings. Let prints dry at least 15 minutes to avoid smudges and ink transfer. Cut by hand with scissors, a craft knife, or use a cutting machine for precision. Set cut sizes to a maximum of 5 inches for durable sticker shapes and usability. Round corners slightly to prevent peeling and improve longevity during handling. Protect stickers using clear adhesive laminate or a spray varnish rated for plastics. Use a 3mm or thicker laminate for outdoor durability and scratch resistance. Apply laminate carefully and smooth with a squeegee from one edge outward. For adhesive choice, pick permanent pressure-sensitive or repositionable silicone adhesive as needed. Let sealants cure 24 hours before packing or use to ensure full adhesion and durability. Apply stickers to clean, dry surfaces and press from center outward to remove bubbles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.